So today we're going to talk about our assistive technology project. And you see we have a new template here. The first thing we're going to do is drop a ruler like we always do. Then we are going to drop our cylinder. Now remember, for what your project is, yours will be different than mine. Mine is a tool that's to be used for a person with one working arm so that they can button their own shirts. Again, you'll notice as we're rotating this, if I rotate outside the compass, it'll do it by 1 degree. Inside the compass, it does it by 22.5. So I'm turning it 90 degrees so that it is touching the ground but lying flat. And this is going to be the handle of my tool. So the first thing I'm going to do is make this longer. We're going to say 80 millimeters, which should be fine. And if you look at it, it's really kind of bumpy. You can leave the bumpy if you like. I don't particularly like the bumpy. So I'm going to click on it and go to sides here. And I'm going to make it much smoother. So 64 sides. I still have this weird hard angle here though. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the bevel. And if you watch as you increase the bevel, it gets more and more or less and less curved. I don't like it all the way curved. It looks kind of like a cigar, kind of. So we're going to make it just slightly curved for me. And I like that. It kind of says, hey, we need to be delicate, but it also kind of says, hey, this is still a handle. Now I'm just going to push it off to the side. A new tool you'll learn today is how to do extrusions. So if we go to basic shapes and go down to shape generators featured, you'll see the first thing here is extrusion. These tools are available for you. They have things like springs and bent pipes. And the nice thing about these is these are things that you could do if you wanted to. You can make this square or a hexagon. The problem is, while this is doable for you, this is also shockingly complex. That's why they're here, is to kind of make your life easier. But what we're looking at are called extrusions. So extrusions, when you click on and drop it, it starts off as a gray circle. However, you'll notice here, it has 4 of these little doodads here. The square ones will make it bigger, or you can change the angle as well. For us, we just kind of want it to be centered still. And you'll notice it actually changes the shape of the extrusion. So I kind of want it to be down here like this. But I want this bottom part here to be tapered very, very severely. So I'm actually going to take the round one, which if we look at it, will change how warped it is. And I'm just going to flip the whole thing around like this, which causes a loop. And then I'm going to kind of meter it off here like this. So what that's causing here is, you notice, a very sharp decline. And then this one, we're not touching at all. And these two we're kind of moving in. Because what I want is I want a long, thin shape with a big bulbous edge at the bottom. So I get done and it kind of looks like that. And then when I look here, that looks like about the shape I want. But I need to be longer. So I'm just going to drag this out like this. And what I kind of end up with is the shape where you could theoretically put a button through here. And then when you pull it this way, it'd be sticking out the top with the threads attaching. However, if we look at this, this is still very, very large. I don't need it that big at all. In fact, I want it to be smaller. I only want it to be, instead of being 20, I want it to be 2. Just kind of like a wire, but a little bit thicker. And I also need it to be hollow. So I'm going to press Control-D to duplicate. And you'll notice I've got a duplicate here. I'm going to make it 2 millimeters across. So this is going to go from 89 to 87. This is going to go from 24 to 22. And then all of a sudden I have this. Make it a hole, line these two, align, group them, and it has a hollow here. And then all I'm going to do is take my shape, wrong button, push it into my handle, raise it up, and you're done.